Hey guys, Murders at Heartbeat here, just going through how the doc section in Heartbeat works. This is doc section is the second tab on the left, so right here it looks like a little document. And this is for creating any documents that you need within your platform. So ways other folks have used this, we have accelerators that use docs to have their community overview, their discounts, and even provide tactical guides to other people within the cohort. So all of the stuff that they feel like they keep sending people over and over, really easy to just create that, stack it together in docs, and actually provide really powerful, useful information. They've also got a full discount section loaded up right here. Other folks have used docs in a similar vein, being able to provide this kind of tactical stuff, but also hosting things like their full code of conduct that they actually send to people, that they have people sign, getting started guides, and even things just having better written out small things like book recommendations, things like that, where people can have longer tail discussions, have that saved up so that now this is the content that you're able to start scaling your community off of. So just some quick examples of what doc sections have looked like that we've seen that have been really helpful. And so going back to our demo space over here, this is just the impetus of our docs. So first thing that's always really great to start off with is a code of conduct. Code of conducts are really helpful just to set what accepted and non-accepted behaviors of your communities are. And I would recommend usually having this as the first doc or the second doc. A lot of people like to do a how to use Heartbeat section. You can actually even embed videos, you can embed images, so all of the basic stuff that you'd want to be able to do and create really thoughtful documents as you do that. So if I want to create a new doc, what I will do is I will create that doc under one of my existing sections. So sections are the higher level that we use to actually manage the permissions to docs. So who can actually view them, who can edit them, who can access them. So this Cool Kids section, only administrators can edit it, but anybody that's in this Cool Kids only group can actually view it. So we use sections to manage the higher level permissions. You can create sections here. You can provide as many permissions as you want to them on who can view, who can edit, different things like that. And then you can title them and move them around as necessary. So you have full control as a community admin over how this section actually appears to people. Now, if I want to create a new doc, I can create it right over here. And let's call this new document. And I can add an emoji to it on the side. So just hitting this little emoji button, I can do this. And let's just give it the rocket ship emoji. And say, cool, I've gotten this doc over here. I've got it all set up. And I want to go ahead and start adding some stuff to it. So what I can start doing is to add in a new block. I can hit this little plus button over here, and I can grab different blocks. So you can make it a header, you can make it a to-do list, a bulleted list. And there's also a bunch of other stuff like tables, code blocks. You can drop in images, links. So a lot of different ways that you can actually embed and create things within these docs. So my favorite way is actually if you just type in the slash key on your keyboard, it will pull up all of these blocks. So I can type in slash, let's get a big heading, and then let's actually type in some stuff for this heading. So let me type in episode 4 over here, and let me paste in some text into here as well. So hit enter, can paste in some text. Cool. So now I have this doc, I have it all set up. If I want to upload a file to this doc as well, I can do that too. So I could upload, PDFs, I could upload Word docs, so anything that you want to include, and it'll display it nicely. I can hyperlink specific things. So this Princess Leia is written in red, so that's hyperlinked. Me as a community admin, just to make it easier for me as I'm editing it, we've turned off links for single clicks. But if you hit command click, or if you hit control click if you're on Windows, you'll be able to open that link. So if I'm hitting command click right now, you'll see the section gets turned red. That means it just opened the link for me in a new tab. So all of that is easy and doable. You can take these sections if you want to. You can even paste videos into them. So let me grab a video link over here, drop it into here. So it's going to embed a YouTube video. All of that's built in, really standard. And then I can hit enter, start typing some more. I can add in a divider for a new section. I can scroll down and then hit slash, and let's do another header. And I can do, episode 5. So easy things like this. I can create whatever docs I want. I can embed images. I can embed videos. I can really customize it as necessary. And say, you know, I actually want to nest this doc under another one, and I want to create like a more detailed organization structure. I can actually grab these docs and move them around. So I can move it around anywhere in housekeeping. I can move it to another section over here. I can move it down here if I need to, and it'll change the actual permissions the doc has. So here, I'll keep this under here, and I can actually, you know, move it under profile setup. So now this is nested under profile setup, and again, like I can really control how all of this doc section looks and feels. So easy ways to do things like that. If I want to delete the doc, all I have to do is hit this document settings, hit delete. If I want to delete a section, all I have to do is hit this edit button, hit delete. I'll have to clear out the docs from within this section, so I'll have to delete them individually, and then I can delete this overall section over here. Some other like final cool things that are available with docs. So any docs that I create, say I create this like new doc, I can actually @mention it anywhere in my platform using the $sign. So the same way you use @mentions in like Slack or Discord or use hashtag mentions for channels, you can do the same thing with $sign and Heartbeat. And so any docs that you create or any events that you create, you can actually mention anywhere in the comments. So I can type in my new doc and I can say, check this out, hit enter. And now when anyone clicks on it, it's immediately going to open up this new doc page. So easy ways to create those kind of references all throughout the Heartbeat platform. Cool. Thanks so much for watching our quick overview on the docs section, and let us know if you have any other questions.